That's a flooded snowmobile, isn't it? If I've ever seen a flooded snowmobile, that's a flooded snowmobile. Fountain of gasoline coming out of there. Anyways, just taking a moment here, because I just realized, well, I realized a few days ago, while we were actually in Revelstoke, was that we're at 4,000 subscribers now, which is awesome, because we just did our 3,000 subscriber giveaway video earlier in the month, or the mid last month. So that is awesome. We got 1,000 subscribers in a month. That's freaking wicked. It took me like a year to get my first like 500, so let's keep it up. 4,000 subscribers, that's a lot of people. That's like 2 whole sundries of people. And I think a lot of people kind of, you know, are hard on themselves, like, oh, I only have 2,000 subscribers. Ben, don't bug me right now. I'm trying to do a vlog, buddy. I only have like 200 subscribers. It's like, I remember when I was at 100 and now I'm at 4,000. I'm like, I am so freaking proud of these 4,000 people. Like, that's a lot of people following me and the channel and everything we're doing. So thanks everybody for following. I've got a lot of people asking about a giveaway. I'm thinking 10,000 seems like a good milestone, so we'll probably do a run around 10,000. So it should just be later on this year. Maybe I'll do something smaller instead of some big prizes. We'll do something a little smaller as we go. Just thanking everybody for supporting the channel. I don't always get time to respond to everyone's comments when we're out riding. Like, especially when I'm doing those vlogs and I'm uploading on my phone. There's so much stuff to do when we're out there in Revelstoke and I'm sitting at supper. I'm literally sitting at supper, or I'm sitting in the hot tub on my phone trying to get stuff edited so that I can show it the next day. And, you know, I think it works, but it's just one more thing I got to do while I'm there. So I don't always, I usually see your comments, and what I'll do is I'll reply in my head and then close my YouTube browser. That's usually about how it goes. So thanks everybody for supporting the channel. That is freaking awesome. I got the 3,000 subscriber giveaway video, just the winners, and it's kind of a mess of a video, but it's kind of a random way we did to pick the winners. So that'll be probably Saturday's upload or something like that. I don't have my truck anymore. Obviously, I'm driving around in this piece. I give this little Toyota kind of a hard time. It's a lot better of a vehicle than I give it credit for. So I did sell that Duramax, and it's cause I always seem to have hauling problems. It's nothing to do with brand or anything like that. It's because I've been going back and forth from half ton to gas job to diesel, and I'm finding that even though, yes, it's a diesel and it's got tons of power and I can put, you know, anything I can fit in there, but I'm having problems fitting things in there because the box is only, you know, 6x4 or whatever it is. So having said that, I'm kind of split right now about getting a Suburban or going back to a half ton, but even more so, I'm thinking this weekend, Friday or Saturday here, going shopping for a flat deck. I can put as much stuff as I want on there. I find I'm only ever needing the truck to really go camping or go to Revelstoke, so I want something that can haul at least 3 sleds, just on a flatbed. 1 backwards, 2 front, 1 backwards. That's fine. That works fine for me. Even if it's a gas job. You know, one of those, I'm thinking like a 6-liter or something like that. One of those engines that you floor it, and there's a bunch more fuel consumption, there's a bunch more noise, but not really any more power. No more hauling problems ever again. Even if it's a pig on fuel, it's still, you know, it offsets the price of buying a diesel. So if I spend, you know, 20 grand less or whatever buying a dually flat deck with a 9-foot bed or something like that. I got my bike to rip around in the summer, and I'll probably buy a little car or something like that. I just want something that's not gonna be in the way, like it works against itself when I'm trying to haul stuff, because the only time I ever need to haul stuff is when I'm going sledding or camping. So I need space. I need a flat deck. Check out yesterday's video, because it's actually the type of video I like putting together, the type of video I like editing. It shows all our drone stuff, and you can see how much better I'm getting with the drone, because I sure can fly it straight now instead of that 2018 video. So I'll link that 2018 cat demo video ride at the end screen, and I'll also link yesterday's video in the end screen, because these are the kind of videos I like to make. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next video.